Hey boys and girls, this week in math we're going to be working on subtraction problems. Remember, when we subtract, we take it away. We know that we start with a bigger number, take some away, and we get a smaller number than that first number. So let's review real quick just a few of our strategies we can use for subtraction. So the first one, something we have with us, we can use our fingers. If there are 5 dogs and 3 go away, I know I have 2 dogs left. So that's a great strategy, is to use our fingers. We can draw a picture. Remember, when we take away, we put those X's in there. So I had 5 apples. I ate 3. Now I have 2 apples. That's another great strategy to use. We know we can use objects. And remember, you can use any objects that you have in your house. You could use Legos or pennies or pieces of cereal. Whatever object you have, you can use that to help you subtract. Ooh, let's see. We know some of those easier ones, we can just use mental math. We already know it. We can also write a number sentence to help us solve it. And one of the strategies we talked about in school were using our cubes, which is just another object we can use. So you pick which strategy works best for you, and that's how you figure out your subtraction problems. All right, boys and girls, let's get started. Ooh, let's look at this picture and let's see if we can think of a number sentence that we would write. How many balloons did we start with? How many were there all together? Ooh, you're right. There were 5. Now, some of them popped, so they went away. So I'm going to use that takeaway symbol, that subtraction sign. How many popped? You're right. 2 popped. How many are left? You're right. There are 3 balloons left. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Nice job getting all warmed up. All right, now you're going to get out your workbook pages. You should have a workbook page that looks just like this, that has the birds on it. If you need to pause this video to grab your workbook pages, go do that and then restart your video. All right, let's count and see how many birds there are. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're right, there are 7 birds. So let's look at our first problem. 7 take away 1. So do you remember how I show that 1 went away? You're right, I put an X on it. I'm going to X out this red one. He looks kind of angry. I don't think he wants to be up there. So 7 take away 1. How many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 take away 1 equals 6. Ooh, now our next problem says 7 take away 2. We already crossed 1 out, so we only need to cross 1 more. I think I'm going to cross the penguin out. He looks kind of scared. How many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 take away 2 equals, you are correct, it equals 5. Nice work, boys and girls. All right, let's get ready and go to our next workbook page. It should look like this. We have a 10 frame, and then we have 2 problems we need to solve. Now, I'm going to just draw a picture because that's a little easier for Miss Martin. But if you want to use objects to put in your 10 frame, you go ahead and do that. So let's look at our first problem. 8 take away 1. So how many do I need to draw? You're right. I'm going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many am I taking away? Ooh, you're right. I'm going to just take away 1. So now let's count and see how many are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 1 equals 7. All right, boys and girls, I want you to solve 8, take away 2, and write your answer, and then come and check with me. Pause this video. Ooh, did you get it solved? So I'm going to cross out 1 more to show that I have 2 taken away. How many do I have left? Now, I know in a 10 frame there's 5 here, so I can just go 5, 6. Ooh, 8 take away 2 equals 6. Is that what you got? Nice work, boys and girls. All right. Now, I want you to find this workbook page, our vocabulary page. All right, boys and girls, so in the top it says subtraction equation. So we want to draw 3 different subtraction equations and write the answer. So we could draw a picture, or we could write our number sentence. I'm going to start and do a picture. So I'm going to do 4 circles. And then I'm going to show 2 went away. So my equation would be 4 take away 2 equals 2. Boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and pause this video, write 3 subtraction equations, and then start this video back up. Awesome job, boys and girls. I can't wait to see the 3 subtraction equations that you did. So you have 1 more workbook page left today, and the page that you need to complete is on the board. So you have 2 problems to solve. 9 take away 1 and 9 take away 2. Solve those equations, have somebody check it, and have a great day. Bye, boys and girls.